Welcome to Modern Moto-Cars, your go-to channel for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving into the world of classic motorcycles, showcasing the top 5 vintage motorcycles that have left a lasting impact on the motorcycle industry. These bikes represent a perfect blend of style, performance, and heritage that still captivates enthusiasts today. 5. Indian Chief, 1940s to 1950s. The Indian Chief was a true rival to Harley-Davidson, offering a blend of performance and elegance. With its signature valenced fenders and powerful V-twin engine, the Chief became a favorite among police departments and long-distance riders alike. Today, it remains one of the most sought-after vintage motorcycles for collectors and restorers. 4. BMW R60/2, 1956 to 1969. BMW's R60/2 is a symbol of German engineering precision and long-distance touring comfort. Designed with a boxer twin engine and a shaft drive, it offered unparalleled reliability and smooth power delivery. Popular among world travelers, the R60/2 was known for its robust build and timeless design that embodied BMW's commitment to quality. 3. Honda CB750, 1969 to 1978. The Honda CB750 revolutionized the motorcycle world when it debuted in 1969. Often referred to as the first superbike, it boasted a 4-cylinder engine, disc brakes, and a smooth ride that set new standards in performance and reliability. With its combination of power and affordability, the CB750 helped establish Honda as a dominant force in the motorcycle market. 2. Triumph Bonneville T120, 1959 to 1975. The Triumph Bonneville T120 is a British masterpiece that became synonymous with speed and style. Named after the famous Bonneville salt flats, this twin-cylinder powerhouse delivered thrilling performance and agile handling. Its distinctive twin exhaust pipes and sleek, minimalistic design made it a favorite among cafe racers and custom builders. Even today, the Bonneville remains a timeless symbol of British motorcycling excellence. 1. HarleyDavidson Knucklehead, 1936 to 1947. The Harley-Davidson Knucklehead is an icon in American motorcycle history. Introduced in 1936, it featured the brand's first overhead valve V-twin engine, which provided both power and reliability. With its distinctive teardrop-shaped gas tank and chrome accents, the Knucklehead set a design standard that Harley still draws inspiration from today. Collectors and riders alike cherish this model for its bold looks and legendary performance.